Hey guys, I'm Resham, a makeup expert here at MyGlamm, and today I'm here with Sejal, who's a beauty blogger, and we're going to be showing you a party look. So stay tuned. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such videos. Bye!